Boots on the ground, putting it down. It's Mickey Dee. I host the Stock Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure, it's an honor to be on your electronic device. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm out in the elements here. I'm on location. I'm looking at some properties, ladies and gentlemen, and I have a guest for you here in a minute who's just purchased a property. We're talking about the American dream, but I want to tell you first about what's going on with the market. And many of you know right now what's going on. It's a hot bull market in uranium. It's a hot bull market in gold and silver. It's a hot bull market in our rare earths right now. So stocks are going crazy. We're having some good moments. Like I told you, I haven't had some of these good moments since the dot-coms. It's really been tough. Really been tough, ladies and gentlemen. When I say tough, I mean the market has gone up. Really, it's gone up a lot. Some of you are up 500, 600, 700% on some of these stocks, and it's time for these stocks to take a breather, ladies and gentlemen. It is time. I hate to say that, but it's time for some of these stocks to take a breather. But in bull markets, things can be irrational for a long period of time. So we will keep an eye on it for you, and when they go down, we will definitely take a look at that. But without further ado, I did want to bring a guest in. His name is Darius, and he's just purchased a property from the state where he purchased it from. He wants to tell us about the process. Make sure you hit like, share, and subscribe. Hang with our trade. Our stocks are doing fantastic. Hang with our trade, and it's going to be great, ladies and gentlemen. It's going to be great. Welcome back to the Scoop, ladies and gentlemen. Make sure you hit like, share, and subscribe. I'm here with Darius, and Darius is the latest member of the family to purchase a house, the American dream.
That's right.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Appreciate that.
Yeah. Now, you and your wife, did you have? How did it start? Were you looking for a house, or did you have an opportunity or something? Or?
Yeah. Well, we were in our 2-bedroom apartment for a very long time, and it was starting to get small.
Okay.
And with all our animals and everything, we were like, it's time for an upgrade. So I started a little window cleaning business, and we started that from the ground up. And once that money started to roll in, we was like, okay, I think we can actually afford a house now. And then we started looking around that time, and we started that process and got a realtor, which was one of our dad's friends. And we just kind of hit the ground running. Really.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Excellent. That's success, ladies and gentlemen. Starting a business from scratch, from the bottom up, and moving up, and then being able to purchase a home. So it took you some years, did it not? Or
till I build up?
Yeah. Did it?
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, for sure. I mean, I've had several jobs prior to the business. Security jobs, from mechanic jobs, things of that nature. Things happen, shops lose money and businesses go under. So I had to find something, and my back was kind of against the wall. And I tried like the drop shipping stuff, and I figured out that wasn't my niche. People have a lot of success in it, but it just wasn't. It wasn't my thing. I probably need a little more, help with that. But I kind of ran into window cleaning, and it was low cost. And I went out, got some business cards, bought some very basic equipment at that time, and then my first job was $10. I did some nail salon. I did like 4 of their windows for like $10. And then once I got that, I looked at that money and I said, oh, I may have something here. And then I went around the town, and for at least a year, business cards, introducing myself to different businesses, and it went very well. It went very well from there.
Wow,
Yeah, that's how it started.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
You know what? We usually don't plug businesses, but since this is your first, and this is what you've done,
Yeah.
it's your first business, and you're doing very, very well.
Yeah.
We appreciate you. Where can people get a hold of possibly? Are you in like the listed on Google or something?
Yeah,
Or can they get a hold of you?
So you can check us out. We're on Google, of course. If you go to robertswindowcleaning.net, you can find us there, schedule an appointment. We are only located right now in Arizona, so we do cover pretty much the entire valley. So I do like to tell people that we will travel for you, depending on your home or businesses of that nature. Yes, find us on Google, Roberts Window Cleaning in Mesa. That's where we started, so you'll find us there.
Great. Well, we want to thank you. You're a successful story. We want to thank you for being on the Stock Scoop.
Thanks so much.
Thank you very, very much.
I appreciate it.
Ladies and gentlemen, like, share, and subscribe, and we're going to have success stories like that for you all year long while we're going through this bull market in rare earths, in uranium, and gold and silver. Take care, you guys.
Take care, guys. Thank you.
Hey, when you need inspiration, you need power, you need strength, look up, because that's where you're going to get it from.
Amen to that.
God bless you.